In this quick video, I'll show you how to download video on WhatsApp web. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So now you can see I have received a video from my friend on my WhatsApp web. Now I want to download it on my PC. So there are three methods we can use for downloading videos from WhatsApp web to our PC. First method is real easy. For that we just need to click on this drop down arrow. After that we will see multiple options. We just need to click on download, and after that this video will be downloaded on our PC. For second method, we just need to open our video. We need to click on our video and then we will see this download option or icon, you can say. We need to click on this icon, and after that this video will be downloaded. And the third method is also easy. For that we just need to right click on our chat. I will simply right click here and then click on select messages. I will click here and now select the videos you want to download on your PC. In my case I have only this video, so if you have multiple videos then we can simply select all videos just like so, and I don't want to download these videos, so for that I will simply select this one video, and after that we will see this option on the right corner, you can see download. I just need to click here and after that our video will be downloaded, and to open it we just need to simply click on this file icon. After that our video will be shown in our file explorer. You can see this was the video. I can simply open it and play it in my PC. So these are the three methods you can use for downloading your videos on your PC. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.